Everyone. Welcome to Rajeshwari's Commerce and Management Study Hub. I am Rajeshwari here. Let us solve the next year 2022 question of analytical table June 2022 question number 6 or 5. We are solving. It is 6-mark question. Abhiram Company took a leave of mine for 60 years on a royalty of rupees 10 per ton of coal raised. The minimum rent of is rupees 1,20,000 per annum. Short working can be recovered within the first 3 years of the lease. The output were as follows. Output is given for 5 years. 9,000, 11,000, 15,000, 9,500, 16,500. Prepare an analysis table of royalty. So minimum rent is given. Minimum rent means what? It is fixed rent or dead rent. So it's going to remain same for the all the years. And royalty per ton is given, that is rupees 10 per ton. This is the format of analytical table. Here we have totally 5 years, right? 5 years. Output is given in tons, and it is for first year 9,000, 11,000, 15,000, then 9,500, 16,500. Royalty is given. Royalty is rupees 10 per ton. Now you need to multiply to find out the royalty. 10 into 9,000 is 90,000. 11 into 10 is 1,10,000. 15,000 into 10 is 1,50,000. 9,500 into 10, 95,000. 16,500 into 10 is 1,65,000. Minimum rent is given. Minimum rent means what? It is a fixed rent or a dead rent. It is going to remain same for all the years. That is 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Now surplus. First year if you see, when you will call it as surplus? When the royalty is excess or more than the minimum rent, then it is called as surplus. So here we don't have any surplus. But we have short working occurred. Here minimum rent is more than the royalty. So what is the short working? 1,20,000 minus 90,000. 30,000 is short working. So it is not recovered. Up to 3 years you have a chance for recovering. Here recovered is nil. Now which is the higher, 1,20,000 or 90? This is the minimum guaranteed amount. You know immediately after you start the work production you will not reach. So only you have assured or guaranteed some amount till the royalty increases. So this minimum rent you are going to pay to the landlord. 1,20,000. Now come to second year. Again, there is no surplus, but you have a short working occurred, that is 10,000. Year nil, and landlord 1,20,000. Then in the third year, 1,20,000, 1,50,000. Your royalty is more than the minimum rent. So you have surplus. 30,000 is the surplus. So you can recover 30,000. What is the recovered? You in the question it is specified that only 3 years. For the 3 years you can recover the short working. Fourth year if you have excess also you won't be able to recover it. Only 3 years you can recover. Okay. So 30,000 you have recovered. Out of 40,000, 30,000 you recovered. What is the remaining balance? 10,000 is recovered. Now in 1 lakh 50, 30,000 is recovered. So remaining balance is 1 lakh 20,000. 1 lakh 50 minus 30, 1 lakh 20 you have paid. Now 95,000, 1 lakh 20,000. 1 lakh 20 minus 95. You have 25,000 short working. So you are not recording because you won't be able to recover it. So we are not showing it. So what is the amount you are paying to the landlord? 1 lakh 20,000 you are paying to the landlord. Then 1 lakh 65, 1 lakh 20. No surplus, no short working, no recovered or irrecovered. It is 1 lakh 65,000 you are paying to the landlord. Okay. Higher amount you are going to pay to the landlord. That is 1 lakh 65,000 you paid. Okay, this is analytical table. After this table only, either you are, if they asked in the question journal entries, you are passing the journal entries. Otherwise, you are preparing the ledger accounts. This is the analytical table. So how you calculated royalty? By multiplying with the output, you got the royalty. Minimum rate will be given in the question. It will be same for all the years. Surplus, when royalty is more than the minimum rent, you are recording the surplus. And up to which year you are recording, you are showing surplus? Only the specified year for recovery, only that time. See, here you have surplus, but we are not sure, but because there is no option for you to show surplus or recovery. Okay, up to specified 3 years only you have permission to recover the amount. That is why here we are not showed, because 1 lakh 65,000 whole amount, this amount you are paying to the landlord. I hope you all understood. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.